Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa ating channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa ating topic, March 23, 2025. Chloe San Jose, ipinasilap ang birthday celebration niya. Carlos Yulo's loving girlfriend, Chloe San Jose, turned a year older and wiser last March 21. She recently treated her followers to a post giving glimpses of her birthday celebration. On her Facebook account, Chloe shared a set of lovely photos of herself captured during the intimate celebration at Newport World Resorts in Pasay City. As seen in her heartwarming post, the social media personality and recording artist was presented with a couple of delectable birthday cakes. Birthday glow activated, Chloe wrote in the caption. She likewise penned a fierce note addressed to her detractors. Haters, try again next year. Furthermore, tons of netizens flocked to the comments section to leave their birthday greetings for Chloe. Previously, Carlos has taken to social media to share his kilig birthday greeting for Chloe. On his SOCMED page, the Olympian published a set of lovely photos of himself and his dear girlfriend in the caption. Chloe penned a lengthy and affectionate message for the birthday celebrant. Happiest birthday para sa napaka-espesyal na tao sa buhay ko Chloe, the gymnast wrote. Maraming salamat palagi sa walang sawang suporta, tiwala, kaligayahan at pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa buhay ko. He went on to express his earnest prayer for the online influencer and singer. Ang hiling ko sa Panginoon ay magkaroon ka ng maayos at malusog na pangangatawan. Masaya at maaliwalas na buhay kasama ako hehe. Naway matupad lahat ang mga hiling at pangarap mo. Asahan mong nasa tabi mo lang ako palagi, papahalagahan at mamahalin ka ng sobra. Muli, mula sa puso ko mahal na mahal kita mahal ko, the two-time Olympic gold medalist fondly added. Earlier, Chloe shared on Instagram how proud she was of her boyfriend, Carlos Yulo. The social media personality underscored how Carlos has been inspiring the youth and the Filipino athletes. She also noted that she was just so proud to be standing by the side of Carlos. The Olympic champ was awarded by Esquire with the Athlete of the Year 2024. Binigyang diin din ng quote na ang pagkakaroon ng pamilya at mga kaibigan ay isang pagpapala. Happy birthday Chloe and God bless! At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!